Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this series this is our third video. As you all can see, this is the picture of our exercise questions. This is our question number 8 from this exercise 1 of binomial distribution, and I have again wrote this statement of question here, and the question is stating that in a binomial distribution consisting of 5 independent trials, probabilities of 1 and 2 successes are 0.4096 and 0.2048. In a binomial distribution consisting of 5 independent trials, the probability of 1 success rate and probability of 2 success rates are as given 0.4096 and 0.2048 respectively. Find the parameter p of the distribution, and in this distribution we need to find the value of parameter p. As we all know, under binomial distribution, p and n is the main parameters of binomial distribution, and in this question, in this statement, we have total 5 independent trials, and we have given the probability of 1 success rate and 2 success rate, and from this available information we need to calculate the value of parameter p, or you can say that we have to find the value of probability of success of an event. Now moving to its solution, we have some information which is already given in our question. First thing is n, and n is 5. N records or n denotes number of trials, which is 5, and probability of 1 success rate, which they have already calculated, is 0.4096, and the probability of 2 success rate, which is also available in our question, which is 0.2048. So this is the available information in this question. Now moving forward to calculate the value of p. So starting its a solution, firstly we are moving towards the probability of 1 success rate. As they have already calculated the probability of 1 success rate, but still we need to find some values, and for calculating those values we again have to use the formula of binomial distribution, and the formula of binomial distribution is ncx into q की power n minus x into में p की power x. This is the formula for binomial distribution. Now substituting all the available values in the formula while calculating the probability of 1 success rate. So we have written here probability of 1 success rate is equals to ncx. In place of n we have substituted the value 5. C stands for combination and this 1 stands for success rate, which is x. 5c1 into q, we don't have the value of q. Q denotes for probability of failure into p. P stands for probability of success. In this question they are asking for calculating the value of parameter p. So until now we don't have the value of p and q, and we need to find the value of p and q, and we are doing all these calculations for calculating those parameters or those values. So all the available informations in the question is substituted here, and after solving it you will get equation 1, which is 0.4096 is equals to 5q q की power 4 into p की power 1. This is our equation number 1. Now moving to 2 success rate. Here our success rate is 2. So probability of 2 success rate is equals to, again applying the formula of binomial distribution and substituting all the available information, and after making all necessary steps and calculation you will get another equation which will be like this: 0.2048 is equals to 10 q p. This is our equation number 2. Now next step is now dividing equation 1 by equation 2. We have to divide the first equation by equation number 2. Now dividing the equation number 1 with the values of equation number 2. This is all calculation. Now after making necessary calculation, you will get the values like this. Q is equals to 4p. This is the remaining equation after solving, after making necessary steps. You will get this. Q is equals to 4p. Sorry. Now, as we all know, the basic rule or the basic statement of probability, that probability of happening of an event plus probability of non-happening of an event is equals to 1, or we can say it like probability of success plus probability of failure is equals to 1. And from this equation, you can either calculate the value of P or Q. Whichever suits you, you can calculate either of the value. So here I have calculated the value of P, and the value of P is 1 minus Q. Now substituting the value of P in place of P in the above equation, and after solving the equation and substituting the value, you will get the value of parameter P and Q. That's all for this question. This is the thing that was asked to solve in this question. So the value of P, or the value of parameter P, is 1 by 5, and the value of Q will become 4 by 5.